Hello folks, this is Ron back from Ron Brown's YouTube channel, and we got something exciting to show you today in the world of tech here. What I have here is a hard case for the GoPro Hero 13, and I think it fits the Hero 12, a couple of the models. A lot of stuff hasn't changed. Here's some of the diagrams here of what this is here, but it'll fit all the late model GoPros. And this hard case is very similar to some of the hard cases I've got from StartRC in the past for like the Pocket 3 and other small drones here. And this is, fully waterproof, drop test proof. It has the, that valve here, it releases pressure inside the case in case it builds up and you cannot open it. It has a release valve. Believe me, I've needed it in the past. They work well. It has the kind of, I'll call them the holes here that put locks in on either side of the case here to keep it more secure. It has kind of feet there to lay it down flat so it doesn't wobble. It stands up like this too. Has feet at the bottom, so it kind of just rests back a little bit, doesn't fall over even when you have the stuff in it. And we will get to that in a minute here. So it has this real nice handle here, carrying handle. It rotates. It has the the orange coloring, which is the StartRC's kind of nice look to it there. Little StartRC logo in the very back there, maybe you can see. So you kind of flip down up. I can never do this stuff backwards, but I did get it this time. So the flip up things. And what's nice about this is the layer design. So you have a you can lift this out like this. We're gonna put a bunch of stuff in here soon, so you can see what goes in each of the compartments. And then it has a lower level here for more stuff. So kind of a stack system here, which that's very nice here. So okay, we'll put that back in. So we're gonna get at all the GoPro stuff out, and we'll do like a top-down shot of me putting all the stuff in the various slots here and seeing what goes where and how much you can actually fit in the case here. Like I said, it kind of shows you a little bit here, like shows you the camera, the waterproof case, the waterproof handle, batteries, the camera itself, and the low level they have some of the poles and like the multi-charger unit, I think, here. So yeah, we'll rather me talk through that, we'll start putting some of my GoPro accessories in the case here and see how everything fits. So we'll be right back in the next section of the video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that kind of, I don't know what you call this, the unboxing and first look. We didn't unbox anything. This is comes from Amazon, a generic box. So this is a brown Amazon box. So, but we did take a first look at it, and we kind of saw how everything fit in it, and we went over pricing and availability, for the product here. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe this works for you. Maybe it doesn't. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of it. If this is be good for you. Again, it's nice, compact. Keep all your GoPro stuff together. So if you like this video, give me the old thumbs up. and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member, so you'll see more content like this on, you know, some StartRC accessories. We do a lot of action camera, pocket cameras, phones, drones, so a lot of tech gear covered. Of course, kind of everything needed for a small channel content creator needs to you know, put out some good content. So I will leave my affiliate links down below for this case here. It's some various related tech gear here. I am Amazon as an affiliate seller. Do get a small commission off everything I sell off this channel. So, you know, it doesn't cost you anything extra to use my links, and it does help the channel. Helps me get more things into, you know, to show you guys. And full disclosure here, StartRC sent me this case to take this first look at it, whatever. I did not pay for the case, but I am not being paid to make this video here. StartRC has no editorial control over anything I say in the video. They're not seeing this video first before I put it out. So whether you consider this a sponsored video or not, you know, I'll let you decide that for your own, but full disclosure here. So thanks for watching, and you know, we'll see you on the next video, folks.